Found a shortcut file from the Asutype typing assistant software? These are text expansion shortcut files that automate typing tasks. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Asutype shortcut files. I'm saving the most versatile part for last. We're going to rely on one simple but powerful shortcut file inspection tool that is capable of reading and repairing hundreds of file types. Shortcut files are text expansion, shortcut files used by Asutype and autocompletion and text expansion utility. They contain mapped abbreviations and their corresponding expansion text used by Asutype to automatically expand short typing sequences into longer text snippets, boosting typing productivity across applications. Shortcut files use Asutype's proprietary format, storing abbreviation-to-expansion mappings with metadata about expansion behavior, context restrictions, and formatting preferences. The structure includes shortcut entries with trigger sequences, expanded text content, optional formatting codes, and category organization data following Asutype's specification. Commonly, shortcut files use Asutype developed by Phoenix Software. For complete access to all file resources, a dedicated program is needed. Windows treats shortcuts as references that break when the target file changes locations. To open this specific format, right-click your shortcut file and select Open With. If Asutype is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the key. When a shortcut file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. We just proved the problem is deeper. Quickly perform these 3 diagnostic actions to find the source of the error. First, opening in Asutype. Install and launch Asutype. Then, import the shortcut file through the application's import function. Asutype loads the shortcut definitions, making them immediately available for text expansion across all applications. Configure trigger settings and review expansions through the Asutype management interface for optimal productivity. Next, inspecting file contents. Open shortcut files in a text editor like Notepad++ to view the underlying data if stored in text format. This inspection reveals shortcut definitions and expansions, which can be useful for migrating to other text expansion tools or documenting your custom shortcuts for backup purposes. Finally, migrating to other tools. For migration to alternative text expansion tools like Phrase Express or AutoHotkey, extract shortcuts from the shortcut file and recreate them in the new application's format. Most text expansion tools support import from common formats like CSV, which Asutype can typically export to for cross-platform shortcut migration. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.